Hey everyone, welcome back to the Anti-Inflammation Kitchen. Today I'm going to share a game-changing recipe for gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, butter-free, and nut-free biscuits. And trust me, they are light, fluffy, and absolutely delicious. Made with gluten-free flour and simple, wholesome ingredients, these biscuits are perfect for anyone with food sensitivities or just looking for a healthy option. So stay tuned to see how to make this, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more anti-inflammatory recipes. First, I'm going to go ahead and use 2 cups of flour. You could even use almond flour, but I'm going to use gluten-free flour and show you how this is done. 1, 2 eggs, and in place of 2 eggs, I'm going to go ahead and use my flaxseed mixture. 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of coconut oil, which is used in replacement of shortening, 3/4 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, So I had my oven preheating. Now I'm going to put my biscuits in the oven. I got it for 450 degrees. Bake. I'm just going to bake this for about 15 minutes. Okay, the biscuits are looking so good. But halfway in, I'm going to go ahead and brush it with some avocado oil. Hey guys, so this has come out of the oven, and look at this. Look at this one right here. Oh. It's so light, airy, tender with a golden crisp edge. This is perfect comfort food. Hey guys, so I got my friend here trying the biscuit.
It tastes
This
like
is gluten-free flour.
Yeah,
it's not regular biscuits.
Okay. This just tastes like regular biscuits.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free recipes. And remember, even if you are allergic to nuts or almonds, you can always just make this with any gluten-free flour. It will be just as tasty. Have a great day, guys.